Imagine waking up tomorrow and your money has already made smarter decisions while you slept. Your budget adjusted, your savings optimized, and your investments upgraded, all automatically. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Today, we're breaking down how AI and Fintech are transforming personal finance, and why the people who understand this shift will be the ones building real wealth in the next decade. 1. The big shift. Money is becoming smarter. For decades, managing money meant spreadsheets, guesswork, and stressing over what to do next. But today, artificial intelligence is removing the guesswork. AI isn't just helping, it's analyzing your spending patterns, predicting cash flow, and optimizing your choices faster and more accurately than any human could. 2. AI budgeting, your personal financial assistant. AI-powered budgeting tools now track every penny without you lifting a finger. They detect overspending, highlight unnecessary subscriptions, and recommend exactly where to cut back, personalized to your lifestyle. It's like having a 24/7 financial advisor, but in your building. 3. Smarter saving, automated wealth building. Fintech apps now use machine learning to decide when you can afford to save and automatically transfer money without hurting your cash flow. These apps understand your habits, predict upcoming expenses, and help you build savings consistently, not emotionally. This is how ordinary people are building emergency funds and investment capital with zero stress. Building. 4. AI in investing, data over emotion. When it comes to investing, AI has completely changed the game. Robo-advisors analyze thousands of market trends, global events, and historical patterns to optimize your portfolio. No panic selling, no emotional mistakes, just data-driven decisions designed for long-term growth. 5. Personalized financial planning for everyone. In the past, personalized financial planning was something only the wealthy could afford. Today, AI delivers custom guidance, from get-payoff strategies to investment allocations, for anyone with a smartphone. Financial planning is no longer a luxury, it's becoming a standard. 6. Why this matters right now. The cost of living is rising, debt is increasing, financial stress is at an all-time high. But at the same time, AI tools are giving people more control, more information, and better decision-making than ever before. Those who embrace AI-powered finance will make smarter moves, while those who ignore it may fall behind. We're entering a new era where your financial success depends on the tools you use. AI isn't replacing financial intelligence, it's enhancing it. If you want to build wealth in the modern world, you need to understand how AI is shaping your financial future. Like this video, subscribe for more personal finance insights, and comment below. Are you ready to let AI help manage your money?